Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with another Julie netting layout. Yay! I'm determined before 2020 is over with, whether this video is up before the year is over with, this is done. I believe I did it on the 20th, on the back. No, I did it on the 14th. No, the 4th. Yep, I did it on the 4th, but I haven't had a chance to show my video. So anyway, I had like, I think 10 or 12, I don't know how many, had to get done before I finished this book before the end of 2020. So I'm just getting around. I've just been making the pages. I haven't had the chance to make the videos. So I'm going to make each one of the videos and then show them. And then I do a whole flip through of all 48 pages. So excited that I'm back in the groove and I'm almost finished my book. Right now I got like 2 more pages. Anyway, so let me jump back in. So I used some new stamps. I used this paper pad that I've been having forever. Well, not forever because I got it this year, from Tuesday morning, and just some random sheets out of here just with some background. I just made up a layout, and I used Mandy with the hula hoop, and I used that one, the cloud and the sun, and then I think, and then this one right here says, if there is such a thing as magic, then it is playing in the warm sunshine on a summer day. So, and that flower. So I used 4 of these stamps from off this particular page. And then over here I also used Carly. She's sitting down, so I used her. And I just used my brown big pen marker to go around the edges and everything. And I used this to get some clouds. And this is just as a quick video, just want to show you what I did. So I just took some paper from this paper pad, hand tore it, and just inked around the edges, stamped out the flowers on some other color paper, fussy cut those out, and drew around it just to get a little shadow in and just to make it pop, because when I find that I don't trace around it, sometimes it blends in, so I just did that to make it give a little bit depth. So this is Carly right here, and this is Mandy, and I just paper pieced them again with another paper pad, I think, one of my 6x6 paper pads. Anyway, and then I did the sun, and then fussy cut that out, and then I punched those out, ripped up some paper again from that same paper pad, and just traced it just to give it a little bit, and then I put a border around it to give it that just centering, and stamped right there. So this is a 9x12. So all of my layouts are kind of large, so sometimes thinking of something that large to do, but it's fun and creative, and so I really enjoy it, and I can't wait to do the final flip through, look at all of the things that I finally finished using my Julie netting dolls. Again, it's just like playing dress up for me. So that is my final layout. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.